In this tutorial, we will make and compare the energy usage of different systems using the condensing units and evaporator we set up in the previous tutorial. Click Make a System. Select your first condensing unit and your evaporator, and then click Make a System. Here you'll see this combination's total system power costs. Now, to compare systems, create another one using the condensing unit you selected in the previous tutorial. Also your evaporator, then click Add System to compare. Now scroll down to the payback calculator. Select your first system to compare, your second system to compare, and then hit Calculate. Here you will see the annual energy cost difference. In the next video, we will add in variables into the equipment cost to find out your ROI in years.